Good evening. So for our lab procedure for part one, we're going to be making standard solutions. And so you're going to take 5 test tubes or beakers, and you're going to label 4 of them 1 through 4, and you're going to label your 5th one blank. And then you're going to take 2 burettes, and you're going to fill one with 0.2 molars of iron nitrate, and you're going to fill the second one with 0.002 molars of SCN. And then so basically you're going to take a 50 milliliter volumetric flask, and you're going to pour the specified amounts in table 1 for standard solution 1 in that flask, and then you're going to fill up the flask with water until the meniscus reaches the line, and that'll be 50 milliliters. And then you're going to pour that solution into your first test tube, and then you're going to repeat those steps for standard solutions 2 through 4. And for your 5th test tube, you're going to take the 50 milliliter volumetric flask, and you're going to pour it with water until the meniscus reaches the line, and then you're going to pour that liquid or the water into your 5th tube that's labeled blank. And then you're going to take this table, and you're going to use the vernier manual and go into Excel and make a standard curve. And then from the curve, you're going to find your equation of your line or your slope. And then once you have your equation, you're going to find the absorbances of each solution. So first you're going to blank it using the solution in your blank beaker or test tube. And you're going to follow the vernier manual to blank the spectrometer. And then you're going to find the absorbances of standard solutions 1 through 4. And from there, once you find the absorbances, you're going to use the equation to find the concentrations for each solution. And so then for part 2, for part 2, you're going to take, very similar to the first part, you're going to take the burette filled with SCN, and then you're going to take another burette and fill it 0.002 molars of iron nitrate, and you're going to instead take 3 test tubes and label them A, B, C. And based off of table 2, you're going to calculate how much water is needed for each solution to equal to 10 milliliters. And once you find that, you're going to pour the specified amount for each solution into a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder, and then and then you're going to pour that into your test tube, depending on which is labeled. And then after that, you're going to use a cuvette and a spectrometer to measure the absorbance of each solution, similar, following the steps in part 1. So yeah, thank you.